welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. Okay, so today we're blinging a pop socket-like socket pocket holder. I don't know, I need to come up with a cool name for my brand of them. They're not necessarily my brand, they're just blanks. They're pop socket-like, and we're gonna bling them with Auntie Tay Bling. So Auntie Tay Bling is actually my brand. It is my crystals, they're my babies. They're one of my products that I'm so proud of. They're like blingiest of bling out there with the bestest price out there for the highest quality bling you can get. Like you're gonna stop people on the streets because they're gonna be like, that pop socket is blinging. You're gonna be like, it's not a pop socket, it's a blank, and you're not gonna go into all that. Anyways, so you can get the blanks on my website, shopauntietay.com. If you're a member of auntietay.com, you can get 20% off of that, shopauntietay.com. And then if you can also buy your bling. And then the E6000 you gotta get on Amazon or Craft Store because they don't carry E6000. But I do have a video on how to use E6000, and that was a lot. So let's bling this pop socket. It literally took me not very long, like maybe less than 15 minutes to do it. And for one of my packets, you can probably get away with doing 10 blank pop sockets with one packet that runs for 15 bucks. Do the math, it's cheap, but you can sell them for a lot. So let's get going. Alrighty guys, today we are making blinged pop sockets with Auntie Tay Bling, which is super comparable to Swarovski, except you get way more in a packet. With ours, you get 1,400 pieces and they are multi-sized, so you can do so many different projects, and they sparkle guaranteed just as much as Swarovski crystals, so you can't beat it. We're using the color Floating Lanterns today, and we're going to use E6000, which I've been warning, make sure you do in a well-ventilated area because this glue is very strong to the smell. Okay, so we're just gonna cut open our bag. If you bought one on shopauntietay.com and it came in a bag, that means you are one of our first buyers of our bling, and the packaging may have changed since then, but as we've been sampling it, people have been loving it, and it comes in these bags. We're also looking to add these fun trays and the doodad picker-uppers, which I have to name a little bit better in the future. Okay, so we're going to just do small sections at a time, and I know that I sped some of this video up, but this entire pop socket took me 10 minutes. The entire video before I sped it up was exactly 10 minutes long. So I know that that'd be a question, is how long does something like this actually take to make? And then also, how many crystals does it take to make a pop socket? So I ended up doing this entire pop socket, and I only used like half of what was in this tray. So with one packet, you could probably get at least 10 pop sockets done. Somebody asked if there was enough in one bag to do an entire pop socket, and it's funny how these things go a lot further than you would think, but with 1,400 crystals, you really can get as creative as you want, and you could do a really big project with them. But I have yet to figure out how much square footage each packet actually covers. So because they're all multi-sized, you don't have to have any rhyme or reason when you're putting them on. You just fill in any gap that you have and use small ones for the small spaces and bigger ones for the big spaces. And you can be as tedious as you want or as sporadic as you want, and it really works. But put it all away when you're done and do your next bling project later.